Alrighty, welcome to the challenge review. Let's go ahead and make our score system work. So, what we should have done is in our enemy AI script, we should have gotten a handle to our UI manager using script communication get component. So here, first thing I want to do is I want to create a handler to my UI manager. So here I'm going to say private UI manager underscore UI manager. And in void start, I want to get a reference to it. So UI manager equals game object, capital G. I first have to find the object before I can get the component I want. Sorry, I'm looking for the canvas. And attached to the canvas is my component UI manager. Okay, now that I have the UI manager, when do I want to call update score? I want to call update score anytime I destroy the object. So we're going to actually call update, before we destroy it, we're going to call it both times in here. So if the laser destroys the ship, and actually, you know what? Only if the laser destroys the ship should it be valid. If our player hits the ship, we will lose a, although you know what? That's a little iffy, because what happens if the player has a shield on? Do we still penalize the player? That should be up to you. If you want to penalize the player, you're more than welcome to. I am going to. So I'm only actually going to count a laser as a valid hit, and only if a laser hits a ship will we add a score. So here we're going to go ahead and say UI manager, and then we're going to say update score. Okay. So every time I shoot a enemy ship with my laser, I will get 10 points. So if we go ahead and save this, and let's go ahead and test this out. Currently my score is set to 0. If I go ahead and run into the ship, I get nothing. But if I go ahead and shoot, there you go. Score is 10, 20, and now we have a functioning score system. Awesome. Alrighty guys, that's the challenge review. In the next section, we're going to go ahead and, the next video, we're going to go ahead and look at adding our title screen.